Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. I, Shubhi Pandey, with my team from CSC 4th year, is here to present our major project presentation on face detection based attendance system. So, in every institution, either college, school, or office, attendance of student, teachers, and employees is an important data. And currently, either attendance is taken manually or through fingerprint process. When we talk about the manual process, it is quite tedious task and even those data ledgers are difficult to handle. Another one is fingerprint. In today's COVID scenario, this fingerprint process is quite unhealthy. So considering all the problems, accuracy of data, time consuming, insecurity, we have a solution that is face detection based attendance system. Next. So it have main two elements, that is face detection and face recognition. Face detection is a computer technology being used in a variety of applications. Face recognition is a computer application capable of identifying and verifying a person from digital image. Next. So the proposed system have an innovativeness. It reduces the paperwork where attendance will no longer involve any manual recording. And the new system will acquire individual attendance by the means of face recognition to secure data accuracy of the attendance. Next. Usefulness. Face recognition software can accurately track time and attendance without human error. Next is buddy punching is not allowed in this. And employees can enter and leave the facilities considering less time. Now I will request Vedant to continue.
Hello. Now, the next topic is risk management. In this, there are 3 points that we cover. The lack of permission. In facial recognition, sometimes it will be hectic that permissions are less. We only recognize face and we attend add attendance. Now, second is predatory marketing. In this, there are vulnerabilities that it can be used in other activities and identity fraud. Identity fraud, criminal can use the data for their personal uses, and all this is covered in our risk management because we are using this software in our offices and schools, where this will be reduced. Now, next, project scheduling. Scheduling in project management is the list of activities like we are showing in this flow chart. So first here is identifying activities, identifying possible dependencies, estimating resources, assign people to conduct activities, and create activity network and bar chart for our scheduling. Next, process model. So here the process model we adopted is first the image will be inputted, then face will be detected, features will be extracted, and face will be recognized and stored in our database, and then the verification process will continue. Next. So I will request Umang to continue from.
Okay. Governance requirement here, user role and responsibility. So what will the role of the user? I will explain here. Uh, The user is our main module for the attendance. The employee of the organization needs to stand in front of the webcam or camera, which will handle the face and it will detect the face with the camera to the attendance. And our system will work that after his recognition of the user's eyebrows, face, nose, ears, nostril, mouth corner, it will attach and it will capture the image and it will match with the database. So the attendance of the user can capture in our database.
So ma'am, basically our project is a system application. So when you will open it, you will see this home page will be there. There will be 5 buttons. Firstly, create data set, train data set, recognize plus attendance, attendance sheet and exit. As soon as you will click on the create data set button, the system will start taking the pictures. and it will create the data set and capture the images. And when you will click on the train data set button, it will train the captured images, and after successfully trained, the message will be popped up that your data set will be successfully trained. And when you will click on the recognize plus attendance button, it will recognize the face that has been trained and mark the attendance as well. And at last, when you will click on the attendances button, you will see your attendance visually there. You can see that your attendance are updated in Excel sheet. Hello.
हाँ, okay. एक बार सुमित सर
हाँ मैडम,
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन
हाँ वो
देख
बताओ ना
लीजिए आप।
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, बताओ ना इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पार्ट।
उन लोगों ने अभी शो किया। हाँ सर, रिपीट कर दो।
Yes, ma'am. One, please switch to the first page.